Hi, this is Jody Hart with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services with Dakota. Welcome to my newest listing at 4887 Bixby Road in Groveport. This is a premier equestrian facility featuring 11.5 acres, full of rich memories and history in the Central Ohio horse world. Let's take a look.
This highly desired 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story home is beautifully updated throughout with over 1,600 square feet of living space and gorgeous hardwood floors. The entry leads into the living room, which has a beautiful bay window providing views of the front of the property. The kitchen has newer Samsung stainless steel appliances, gorgeous granite countertops, large pantry, high-end cabinetry, an island, and additional eating space. This area leads to the sunken family room, which features a wood-burning or gas fireplace, beamed ceiling with ceiling fan, and adjoins to the large 3-season room providing panoramic views of the 11.5 acres of land. The magnificence of this property does not stop inside. The acreage features several barns and outbuildings, currently providing 30 stalls with potential up to 45 stalls. The incredible 54 by 200 indoor riding arena connects to 3 tack areas, hay storage, and 20 stalls, along with a beautifully remodeled lounge that features an office, kitchenette, and a half bath. The 125 by 300 outdoor arena is ready for riding all year long, as it has all-weather sand allowing it to dry quickly. Additionally, there is an apartment on the property that can provide housing for ranch hands or provide additional income. This property has so many possibilities. It is currently being utilized as a profitable boarding facility. The new owners can retain this use, add training to the venue, incorporate additional livestock or farming, or house their own animals. This property has so many wonderful opportunities awaiting you.
Thank you for viewing 4887 Bixby Road. If you would like additional information or if you would like to set up a private viewing, please feel free to contact me, Jody Hart of Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, 614-332-4649. Thank you for watching and have a great day.